In this video, we will see what is Mealy model and Moore model. Any clocked synchronous sequential circuit can be represented by one of this model, Mealy model or Moore model. So in this video, we will see what is the difference between these two models. The first block diagram shows the Mealy model. Here, this state register is a memory element which holds the present state of the circuit, and this output combination logic will use it to produce the output. This is nothing but a logic gate. It is a circuit made up of logic gates used to generate the output. So here the output depends upon, this one is external input. So it depends upon the external input and present state of the memory element. Okay, so in Mealy model, the output depends upon present state and the external input. The next block diagram shows the Moore model. Here, the output depends upon the present state only. It does not depend upon the input. That is the difference between Mealy model and Moore model. So in Mealy model, your output is a function of both the input and present state. But in Moore model, it depends upon the present state only. That is the difference between Mealy and Moore model. I will show you one of the example. This is an example of Moore circuit. Here this Y is the output and this Y depends upon the present state of A and B. Here A and B are the flip-flop, that is memory element, and here Y depends upon the present state of A and B only. It does not depend upon the external input X. So here A and B are the memory element, this Y is the output. Here Y depends upon the present state of A and B, that is QA bar, QB bar, and also depends upon the input X. So this is an example of Mealy circuit. Next we will see the state table for Mealy and Moore model. The first state table is for Mealy model. Actually state table is same like truth table of combinational logic circuit. Here there is 4 columns, that is present state, input, next state and output. So I will explain this first table. Here this is present state A, B, C. So there is 3 states A, B, C. Instead of using separate column for input, I have written this within next state column. Here if present state is A and your input is 0, then the next state is A. If your present state is A and input is 1, then next state is B. Similarly, output, it is a Mealy model, so your output depends upon both present state and the input. So you have to write input here. So if your present state is A and input is 0, the output is 0. Present state A, input is 1, then the output is 0. Similarly, we can explain all the 3 rows. So present state is C, input is 0, then next state will be A. If present state is C, input is 1, then the next state will be B. Okay, so this is state table of Mealy model. This one is the state table of Moore model. Here also there is 3 states A, B, C. Okay, so if your present state is A, input is 0, then next state is B. Present state A, input 1 means next state will be A. In Moore model, we know that output does not depend upon the external input. So we have not written this X value here. And your output is fixed for the state. If present state is A, then the output is 0. 0, it is fixed for A. If your state is B, then the output is 1. If the state is C, then the output is 0. So the output is fixed for that particular state. It does not depend upon the input. Next, let us see how to draw a state diagram from this state table. Already we have seen how to draw a state diagram for flip-flop. It is similar to that. So first step, draw a circle for each state. Here there is 3 states. So first draw 3 circles and place a state within that circle. So A, B and C. So there is 3 states. Start from the first row, and in state diagram, the state transition is represented by a headed arrow, and here it is a Mealy model. One important thing in Mealy model is on that transition line, there is 2 values. You have to represent 2 values which is separated by a slash. The first value represent input and the second value represent output. So after completing the state diagram, you will be clear about this. So first start from the first row. A, present state is A, X is 0, next state is A. So, right, and the input is 0. Present state A, X is 0 means output is 0. So in the transition line, you have to represent both input and output, which is separated by a slash. First value represent the input and second value represent the output. If input is 0, the output is 0. 0. That's all. The next, A, input is 1, the next state is B. B is here. So from A to B, input is 1. So input is 1. What is the value of output? 0. So you have to write 0 here. Then first line over. Then the second line, B, present state is B. X is 0. The next state is C. So you should move from B to C if input is 0. So B to C if input is 0. Right. The next one, you have to write the output. So in the B line, if X is equal to 0, output is 0. So you have to write 0 here. The next one, input is 1. Present state B, input is 1. Next state is also B. So you should stay at the same state for X is equal to 1. What about the output? For X equal to 1, output is 0. So you have to write 0 here. Okay. So second line is over. Third line, C. If present state is C and input is 0, next state is A. So you should move from C to A if input is 0. If input is 0, what is output? This is 0. So you have to put 0 here. And second, X is equal to 1 means you have to move from C to B. Present state C, X is equal to 1. The next state is B. So you have to move from C to B. Don't forget to put a arrow mark. So this is for X is equal to 1, right? And what is the output? For X is equal to 1, output is 1. This 1. So this is the corresponding state diagram for this state table. So in Mealy model, the state should be represented within the circle and the state transition is represented by a headed arrow. And on that transition line, you have to mention 2 values which is separated by a slash. First value is input and the second value is output. That's all. Next, we will draw the state diagram for this Moore model. Here also there is 3 states, and here the difference between Mealy and Moore model is, in Mealy model, you have to represent only state within the circle, but here the output is fixed for a state. So you have to represent both state and output within the circle. So A, state and output is 0. So you have to write like this. B, the output is 1. And third state C, the output is 0. C, 0. So in Moore model, it does not depends upon the input and it is fixed for that particular state. So you have to mention the output within that circle. So let us start from first row. First row is A. If input is 0, it goes to B. So input 0, it goes to B. So in that transition line, we have only one value that represents the input. A, input is 1. The next state is also A. So you should stay at the same state for X is equal to 1. Then first line over. Second line B. Input is 0. The next state is also B. So you should stay at the same state. So present state B. If input is 0, it should remain in the same state. B, X is 1. Then it moves to C. So you should move from B to C for X is equal to 1. Then second line is over. Third line C, X is 0. Then it moved to A. From C to A if X is equal to 0. C, X1. the next state is also C. So it remains in the same state if x is equal to 1. So this is the state diagram for this state table, and it represents the Moore model, right? So the difference between Moore and Mealy model is, in Mealy model, the state is represented within the circle and the transition line is represented by a headed arrow, and on that transition line we have two values which is separated by a slash. First value is input and second value is output. In Mealy model, your output depends upon the input and present state, so only it is represented on the transition line. And in Moore model, your output does not depends upon the input, so it is fixed for that particular state. So you have to mention the output within the circle in addition to that state. So for A, the output is 0, so A slash 0. State and output is represented within the circle. All other thing is same as Mealy model. Transition is represented by a headed arrow, and on that transition line we have to mention the input alone.